As long as we have everything else.
Dad, are you sure this one is here?
Yes, yes.
Ready to go. Dami namin dala. Yan lang. Of course, hindi pwede mawala yung mga pagkain ng cup noodles for hangover. Prutas, yan. Mga upuan namin. Yes. Okay, so yun na lang, I think. Ay, the girls pa. Where's the girls? Where's my baby? Are you ready to go na? Yeah, I know it's raining. Where's Cookie? Where's my Cookie girl? Cookie? Where are you? There you are. Oh, look at your eyes. Still sleepy, my baby. It's a rainy day. Sana doon sa may island, hindi ulan daw, no? Let's go check, ha?
Cool.
Check it out later. Drive safe, my love. Yes. And then, yung dalawa, antok pa. Yes, antok pa to. Ito 2 hours lang. Ito. Ilang hours tulog mo? 4. Of course, obviously, our girls is super sleepy. Hindi may isa. Comfortable with her pillow. How about you, baby girl? Sleepy po ako.
She was comfy there.
Yeah, I know. Super comfy siya. Go sleepy now. You can sleep in there. Hindi na biyahe. Okay?